But my dear brothers and sisters, the sleeping Saint Joseph does not signify laziness or inaction. Rather, it reminds us of his trust in God. And it counters our temptation to only rely on ourselves. Sa mundo natin ngayon, ang dami ng hindi nakakatulog. Ang daming namumroblema. Hindi mapalagay, walang kapayapaan, puno ng takot. Why? Because they only trust in themselves. They do not put their trust in the Lord. And so Saint Joseph shows us that no matter the problem,